Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so I gotta make this a little bit of a quick video here because to those who know, the app on the YouTube app on my phone there is getting too big, so I can't make too many big videos. So come on, you fucking shit. Just like that. Just fucking... Oh yeah, no, this thing has been a pain in my ass. That's for a bit. So, if you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to be making my steel bow. Oh my word, he's taller. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I gotta try to stay here and get this the hottest it can possibly get to. Come on. There. All right. I'm gonna have to do that right there and just flatten up with the hammer now. So you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you having a big piece of steel that's hot on one end? Is that hot in your hand? Well, not really. I'm focusing the heat on one part of the blade. Now, right now, I'm at the safest part, so I'm not too worried about it. But, yeah, don't try this. Okay. So just to know, just to kind of clarify what I'm doing. What I'm doing is I'm just gonna take. I already cut a small section. I'm just gonna cut around it. So I have the bowstring here. Just give me 2 minutes to go get that. That's in a minute. Here. Not going how I wanted it to go. Oh, my word. All right. gonna have to work. Of course it had to fall. Of course it had to. Oh, my word. Actually, that might be as good as that's gonna get. It's alright. So since that's heating up, I'm gonna be putting this 60-inch bowstring on it when it cools down. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's going to be in the next video. Oh, but I got to wait for this to cool down because I was actually going to use a bass guitar string for it originally. And yeah, no, I had to fucking break that. Of course. Yeah, but a bass guitar string was like $40. That bowstring was like $18.99. So financially, my nephew can rest in peace on that. Can be a little bit on the easy side on that one. But all right, yeah, because he was petrified when I told him. There we go. There we go. So, yeah, that's going to be probably in the next video. Or if I might make this into a short just to save on memory there. Not sure. Peace.